Yeah, we'll do a quick review on the Scott's Turf Builder spreader. It has control on there, so that you can open and close how much you want to put out at one time. You can increase the amount. You can use this for like putting grass seeds down or fertilizer, or even ice on your driveways if you live up north and put to help melt the driveways. But um, it holds a good bit at one time. It has two good sized wheels, so it'll roll smooth across the yard. But if you're looking for a good spreader, this is a good one. I use it in the spring to put down fertilizer, and I've used it before for grass seeds, so it works really good. Like I said, you can control the amount you put down at one time. This is Scott's Turf Builder spreader. If you're looking for a good one, check this out. I highly recommend it.